Jetzt haben wir schon am ersten Spot.
Okay, I don't have mace. But I do have a rare condition where I bruise and scar very easily. Forget that, I'm out of here.
Und zack. Geht doch, Holz.
Good boy, Sanchez. Let's go find some more wood.
Und weiter, Sanchez. Auf und davon. Okay. Also meine Stimme ist total scheiße. Eigentlich nicht halbwegs noch fürs... Eigentlich nicht halbwegs noch fürs Reden. Aber das war's dann also. Singer der bin ich. Aber naja. Was steht das links? Weiter Sanchez, jawohl. Was haben wir da?
Well, if it isn't Mr. Crimey McLawbreakerson. You're in violation of multiple penal codes here. No dog license, vicious animal and pedestrian only zone. This is Mitchell to base. I need backup immediately. Help!
Sanchez, keep an eye on that guy. Got work to do. Good puppy.
Und Holz.
All right, Sanchez. Let's get back to Iggy's. Hey, wait for me!
Oh, wie schlimm, jetzt müssen wir wieder selber fahren. Oh, das war jetzt der Double Blunt Slide drin, schade. Okay, so geht er. Ab zur Ranch. Es gibt einen Unterschied zwischen Ranch und Ranch. Verstanden, die hätte nämlich ausgesprochen genau gleich aus, aber tuten, ne, weiß Bescheid nicht. Ah, jo. So ist das manchmal gut. So.
Damn, man, Iggy's got some tight moves. That dude's pretty good. Wait, pretty good? Okay, you have no idea who he is, do you? Iggy is a legend. How come I've never heard of him?
When he started to get big, the dude dropped out. He hated all the publicity.
Just know that you're in the presence of greatness, my friend.
It's all right, I guess. Listen, Chief, this ain't no five-star resort, but if you want, you can crash here with the rest of these sponges.
That's awesome. Iggy, man, thanks. Oh, man, I really appreciate you letting me...
Yeah, don't get all wussy on me. I'm out.
Welcome to paradise, Chief. It's a toilet, but it's home.
You know, with a woman's touch, things could look halfway decent around here.
That's funny. I was just thinking the one thing this place needs is more mini stuffy bunnies.
Ah,
Ow!
you dipwad. I am talking about this.
Fine,
Oh,
you
man,
win.
I'm all
It's cool.
over it.
Oh, that is awesome.
That would be killer. Could you imagine? This place would be like nothing anybody's ever seen.
I say let's trick it out, man. This could be the ultimate skate park. It'd finally pay back Iggy for hooking us up for so long.
And anything we need, you know I got the hookups all over town.
Come on, man, let's get started.
Yeah, let's
What
do
we gotta
it,
All right, man, let's do this.
I'm down with it.
Nein, ich will immer noch nicht speichern. Skitchen, schön. Und auf geht's zu Iggy Van Zandt.
Iggy, you have got it down, man. You gotta teach me one of your sick moves.
Do you see a sign around my neck that says free skate lessons for dumbasses?
No, but, you know, they always say you should learn from the best, and around here, that definitely looks like you.
Kid, you ain't half as stupid as you look. All right, I'll show you one move. It's called the bird slide. Try it out a couple of times. Cruise along and roll from side to side.
Oh. Und neue einer. Erledigt.
Lesson 1 complete. That could have been better, but it's pretty much what I expected. Let's see you try one more thing.
Okay. Erledigt, jawohl.
Now, try it again on these vert walls. Get some speed going, then carve over those lines.
Hey.
Slimmy, did you hear the word on the radio? Tony Hawk said on his show that some crazy lunatic busted up this lame protest in Hollywood by knocking down the dinosaur head right in the middle of them. That's awesome!
We didn't hear about it, Murphy. We saw it. You're looking at the crazy lunatic right here. Mr. Dino Demo himself.
That's ridiculous, man! Hey, you know what would even be better than that? We should go snag that thing. That big T-Rex could be our first piece for the skate ranch. I'm down with that plan.
You should cruise back over to Hollywood before that thing's gone. And bring back that dino head.
Genau. So. Wir haben Birdslide erlernt. Und jetzt auf nach Hollywood. Mit dem Auto natürlich, weil alles andere war halt lame. Aber ich glaube, ich muss jetzt noch ein bisschen Geld verdienen. Ich weiß gar nicht, wie viel habe ich jetzt? Autsch. Ich glaube, wir brauchen was um die 100.
Hey, man. Got any plans for that dinosaur head?
Yeah, it's going straight to the dumpster. That thing's wrecked.
Oh, I'll take it off your hands.
Oh, you want it? Oh, well, it's gonna cost you big-time cash. The city code regulation fee.
Oh, get out of here. You're just making stuff up to line your own pockets.
That's the price. You don't want it, it's going in the trash. Now get out of here. I only talk to guys who got enough dough. Come back when you do.
Wir haben 100, okay. Ja, wir müssen jetzt 4 Challenges machen von Zufallstypen. Bei Zufallstypen kann man immer Geld verdienen. Das heißt, die haben für die Aufgabe erleichtert. Und so die gehst du und dann, ja, die stehen halt Aufgabe zum Beispiel, mach 5 Kickflips und zack, hast du $25 verdient. So. Ah, komm schon. Ah. Und... Na. Mission beenden. Schissendreck. Hoffentlich ist die... Also normalerweise müsste ihr jetzt eine andere Mission haben, weil... Ganz ehrlich, die Mission ist ja gerade in Hollywood richtig beschissen. Das muss man einfach sagen. So nicht. Zack, zack. Passt. Erledigt? Jawohl. Geld ist Geld. Das ist okay, mehr gemacht. Noch ein Zufallstyp, was für ein Zufall! Okay. Ein Benihana. Erledigt. Bin ich gut. Ah, die Richtung ist er. Dann passt's. Na, ich wollte jetzt eigentlich einen richtig coolen Backdrop machen. Da dreht ich noch. So vereitelst bei Plan. Da ist er.
What's up, Skater? I'll keep it easy for now. The other tricks I call out. Pull off all of them and you can have this.
Ja, ha. Genau, $200. Jetzt haben wir gleich wieder pleite. Und wir haben den Dinosaurierkopf.
Got any plans for that?
Yeah. Oh, you. Oh, that's. I only.